oasis in an incredible city. It's a great honor to be standing here among these beautiful masterpieces today for this closing ceremony for the grant from the U.S. Ambassador's Fund for Cultural Preservation. Cultural heritage endures as a reminder of a people's contributions and historical experience. By helping preserve cultural heritage, we show our respect for culture. And here specifically, the U.S. government is showing its respect for the rich history and culture of Hyderabad. The U.S. Ambassador's Fund for Cultural Preservation was established by the U.S. Congress in the year 2000. We have helped in more than 125 countries around the world using the fund award grants for the preservation of cultural sites and historical artifacts, embracing all forms of cultural expression. The fund has helped restore ancient historic buildings, conserve rare manuscripts, protect important archaeological sites, preserve traditional craft techniques, and indigenous music traditions. From tombs in Hyderabad to ancient puppets in Jakarta, where we had a grant for a very traditional and old puppetry culture. The fund works all over the world to preserve culture for a new generation. We're very proud of our partnership with the Aga Khan Trust for Culture. The Aga Khan Trust, together with the Archaeological Society of India, has done a splendid job in conserving and restoring some of India's and the world's historic treasures, such as Humayun's tomb in New Delhi and the Mughal Garden Complex in Kabul. With the help of the Ambassador's Fund, the Trust mapped and completed excavations of historical features and structures on this very site. And today we are enjoying the Trust exhibition of archaeological finds from the excavations. Also displayed are pictures of excavations that revealed walls around the tombs, a large mosque, and a summer palace. So I know when we're through here, I know you'll enjoy the exhibit. The U.S. Ambassador's Fund for Cultural Preservation helped fund the excavations of forgotten structures on this site. The purpose was to excavate and conserve specific portions of the site, thus revealing structures such as the summer palace, to preserve the heritage complex and present it to the public in its entirety. In the past, the tomb complex was viewed as a necropolis. This project has changed that perception and demonstrated that the site is, in reality, a multifaceted and rich living story in Hyderabad. Even a mosque was discovered right here. Since 2001, the U.S. Ambassador's Fund has given $1.4 million to help 15 archaeological projects in India. And this is the second grant that we've done and carried out in Hyderabad. In 2009, the fund also gave $106,000 to help preserve the garden tomb of the Malaka Bai at Mullah Ali. In future, we look forward to supporting more and more projects, not only in India but in Hyderabad. Thank you again for being part of this event today, for inviting me to be a part of it. I wish the Aga Khan Trust for Culture continued success for their future work on the Tombs Restoration Project. Thank you.